everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at VMP Performance with Alex S550. With the Odin Supercharged kit, Widebody, you can see, bagged. And today we are going, or he is going to finalize the tune with a VMP on the dyno. We're just gonna jump into the dyno, see what numbers it does, get it finalized, and if we get a chance, we're gonna do, I brought the draggy, we're gonna see if he wants to do some 60 with 130s or 60s or whatever, and take it from there and see what happens.
Hold up. Y'all ain't gonna do a video on this car without me. Not this car. I've been wanting to do this car for a while. So let's bring the owner Alex in. I want to know more about this car, because I know a little bit about it, but we're gonna know a whole lot more about it, because this is one badass build, guys. All right, guys, so I'm here now with Alex, the owner of this beautiful car. And did you do a lot of the work, Alex?
I can't say I did a lot of the work. No, I had a lot of help. I can say that.
Yeah, but I know, but you've done it right, and it's completely, it's probably one of the cleanest builds you're gonna see out there. And let's just go over it. I want you guys to see what this man has done to this S550. All right, so we got a carbon fiber hood. What hood is this, Alex?
So this is the VMS AMS style carbon fiber hood.
VMS AMS style. It's got a little bit of a cowl.
Has a 3-inch cowl.
3-inch cowl?
Yeah, a little different than what we had before. Before we had the Anderson composites.
Yeah.
There's a 2-inch cowl on it and smaller vents, but want to get a little bit more aggressive with this one. Yep.
Rouse fascia with what?
Downforce Solutions.
Downforce Solutions splitter. That's a good looking splitter. Really good looking splitter. Look at this.
On the side, we went with a Stage 3 Performance wide body kit. It was fabricated and custom molded by Dynamic Designs Automotive. They did all the paint and body work.
Wow.
Awesome.
Guys, you did it right. All right, this thing is molded in. No rivets, no double-sided tape or whatever the hell they use now. This is done right. This is paint.
So these are the BC Forged. These are the HCA 218s, I believe. 2-piece. They were custom for the car. They're beautiful. I love them.
Yeah, they're good looking wheels. In the back we got, this is what
Anderson composites.
It's Anderson composites. It's a, I don't figure, a duckbill.
Okay. Yeah, it has a ST style. It's molded
ST
in.
style. Yep. All right. When he said he went full send, he went full send on this build. This is done. Oh my god. All right, see now, how are we using that though? How are we using that, Alex?
We're not using it.
Oh, come on, man.
That part is all show.
Oh. He need to be using that.
I'll probably.
What do you got for exhaust?
So we have power long tube stainless steel headers with a cat delete. We have MagnaFlow X pipe with a resonator, and then we have Roush Sport exhaust all the way back.
Crazy. Look at these seats, guys. You want some Brahms.
Yep, these are the Brahm Elites.
Brahm Elites. And it's manual, guys. There you go. Yeah, see? Hey, I ain't the only one. See, there's a few of us out there still like manuals. Absolutely beautiful. So he painted that too, I guess, right?
All painted.
Man, dude did an awesome job, man. Oh my god. Ah, look at this, guys. Look at this. Well, it's clearly a VMP Odin. It is, Jesus Christ, that thing's huge, dude. It is big. Yeah, I know. That's what she said. Yeah. So it's empty. Do you still have MT82 in it, or did you have
MT82?
It's still MT82.
Yep.
Okay.
Blower from Odin.
What clutch are you running?
I have an RXT.
RXT. Okay. See, you've done it right. You've done it right. This car.
Oil pump gears as well.
Oil pump gears. See, he really did it right. I know some of you guys out there boosted with no oil pump gears. I know who you are.
Gotta have that. Odin.
Okay.
VMP.
Okay. Stage 3 blower from VMP, the Odin kit. God damn it, this big. What kind of injectors are you running?
FIC 1000.
1000s? I mean, you got plenty. Yeah. So it's got the right injectors to make more once you're ready to do it.
Okay.
All right, guys. So there it is. Alex was cool enough to let me come see the car. You guys go check it out. See what it does on the dyno. And hopefully him and Javi will have some fun with the car. Maybe they'll race it. I don't know. So I gotta go work. I gotta be an adult. So see y'all later.
Alright, so as you can see, the car's on the dyno. It took us a little bit to get started because when they did their initial testing, you know, on the idle and just kind of like the rolling, the car was misfiring. And they checked the spark plugs and they had to change them. I think three of the spark plugs were a little messed up. So they changed all the spark plugs and they got the car running. And the other issue was the ABS sensor, you know, that plug they always show that you have to pull. Well, this car has it wired directly. It doesn't have the plug. When it was modified, the shop just did that because they couldn't find the plug or something like that, so they just kind of wired directly, so they couldn't pull the plug. So they had to figure out a different way, which what they did was they just pulled the fuse or one of the speed sensors, I can't remember, but they did one of the two. They got the ABS off and now they're running the dyno. So he just did 2 pulls and a little high acceleration, and I'm pretty sure he's going to look at the logs and all that stuff and see where we end up. And the numbers on 93 octane.
That was loud. Holy cow.
Did it whine? I didn't
hear the whine.
I didn't pay attention.
No, I didn't hear the whine.
No.
The exhaust, that was loud.
That's a good pull.
Here's what that hit.
happened?
Should I leave it on the boosting file or 93 file? Driving, because
It's up to you, man. Because you know, if you don't, once you refuel, if you don't put boost in, you have to sit there and switch it.
Then let's do 93. Get it ready on 93.
Because usually I just put the boosting tune if I was going to the compound or to the track.
Or just having fun rolling.
Like really having fun that I had boosting on me. If not, I'm on 93.
So as far as power goes, so this is the spread on power. 726, 534, and on the hottest pull that we did, it was 699, 698, 525. So everything seems happy and healthy with the car. The spark plugs cleaned up the drivability a lot.
It sounded a lot better.
Yeah, there's no funkiness going on to it. It's nice and smooth and crisp. What mufflers on it?
Roush.
The Roush axle backs, and then it looks like there's a muffler underneath it, or is that just
So we have, it's a resonator, it's a Magnaflow X-Spec with a resonator on it, and then Roush from there back.
okay? Yeah, it's loud, but it sounds a lot cleaner than Roush's usually.
Yeah, it's not raspberry. I think that resonator has a lot to do with it. To quite I don't know.
Yeah, for sure. Because normally these things, long tubes off-road Roush mufflers are
Stupid loud.
Yeah, and this actually sounds really good for Roush mufflers on long tubes. So, I'm 85 volts. If you up the boost, power goes up a lot more.
Okay.
If we stay at the boost we're at right now, the power.
So it'd be fuel, 85 tune, and then a pulley.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yep, yeah.
That's awesome, man. I can't wait. It sounds great.
Yeah, it sounds a lot better than it did before. 93 tunes on the car now. I'll work on getting the car unstrapped, and you should be good to go.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
So we're done at VMP. Real quick, we'll talk about the power and all that stuff later. Right now, we're just gonna get on here and see if he gets familiarized with the car, and we're gonna do some quick 60 to 130. So see you back in a minute. You good?
That was from a 60. That was insane. All right. Process. We're hungry, but anyways, 727, 535, so 727 horsepower, 535 torque, and it's good power, you know. Stage 3 Odin Supercharged kit, VMP tune, cars on bags, Widebody. It's system. I mean, car is very well done. It's awesome. It's pretty badass. And then just now we did, I gave him the draggy so he could just try it. I mean, we did a little bit of driving so he could get used to the car because it had the spark plug problems. You know, it was misfiring. So the car wasn't, you know, all there. You know, even though he had a kind of like a bass tune, sort of, where he could get into, he could drive it, but you know, it wasn't finalized. So the car is not nowhere near where it was when we got there. You know, they replaced all the spark plugs. 3 of them were bad, so that took the misfiring away, and he just kept going on it and tuning it, and he got it to 727, 535. So I'm pretty sure it was a big difference when he started driving it. So I told him, I just drive with it, get used to it and stuff, and if it feels good, here's a draggy, do 60 to 130, and he couldn't get the video set up right, but we still got some GoPro footage, and we got the results of the draggy, so I'll show you some of the GoPro footage, and while you're watching that, the 60 to 130s, you know, I think when he started in 3rd gear, he had to shift real quick, he had to shift too many times, so that's when he got like a 9 something, 9.3, 9.4, and he's not used to the car yet. He's got to get used to it. So I just gave it the draggy just so he could see where he's at starting. You know, as he learns the car and gets better, we'll get it to him again and see how much faster it is. Because that car's quick. The car's quick. It should be in the 7s. It's not lower. You know, he just got to drive it, driver mod. And the second time, he said he started in 4th and he didn't have to shift. He just kind of got on it and the car went. And he got that 8.3, I want to say 8.4, 8.3, somewhere around there. I'll show you. I'll put it up in the screen. But yeah, man, overall, like, you look at the car, it looks awesome. I heard it at the dyno. I heard it driving through. You guys saw it in the video. I mean, it sounds, you hear a little bit of whining coming through, and once it comes through, just a nice exhaust tone, and then when you shift, it sounds even better. So yeah, we're gonna get some food, and we'll get back to you guys.
Alright, so we just got out of VMP, had some food, enjoyed some wings, and we get here, and Alex has this aftermarket cap. Super nice, but it's a billet metal, whatever, and it ate up a little bit of those tabs, but we went and picked up a generic tab, and it's on there good now, so it's not gonna take it easy when he goes home. Alright, so we're done at VMP. We had some food. We had a little bit of issues with the oil cap. Got that fixed. The car made 727 horsepower, 535 torque. You'll see it on the dyno sheet. After we left VMP, we went and did some cruising. He got some 0 to 60s, just trying the car out. Nothing serious right now as he learns the car, how it moves and stuff. Because before that, he was on 5 cylinders because he had some spark plug issues. But that got all fixed, so he didn't have that misfire anymore. Once that got all fixed, the car got tuned all good and set to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thanks VMP for having us. Thanks to Alex for inviting me to come over and check out the car and see how it runs and everything. It's a beautiful car. It sounds awesome. It's like my car. You hear the whine, and as soon as it comes by, you hear that shift and you hear that exhaust, and it's not straight pipe, so it sounds really good. You know, Coyote straight pipe, super loud. Coyotes with a couple things onto him, they sound awesome, especially when you rev him all the way out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, subscribe, check out the next one, comment, hit like, let us know what you think. Peace.
You're one and only.